In this lesson, I will show you how to create feature suppression equation. First, I will show you how many equations involved in this part. There are 4 equations here: length, width, height, and this whole diameter. Suppose if the value of this whole is less than 100, in that case I want to be suppressed. Why? Because you can see from this equation, this is that whole diameter, and that means this whole diameter is controlling by this width. If I reduce this width to 100 and if I rebuild, you can see this is the result and this is not the correct result, and you can see this is the error. I don't want this type of error. Or if I put 1000 and if I rebuild, you can see this is the result I can get. I want to be suppress this whole under a certain value, so this result will not be invalid, this equation. How do I do that thing? I have to add feature suppression under this feature. So I want to control this feature, this cut extrude. First I will select this box and I will select this cast extrude. Next I have to mention the equation. In the equation there are lots of expression available. I will use IIF expression. Inside IIF there are 3 terms I have to apply. First I have to put the condition. This is that dimension. I will capture that dimension less than 100. This is the condition, and I have to put one true value, one false value. This is the true value and this is the false value. You can see there are 3 terms here. First one is condition. If this condition is true, then this is the true value, it will be executed. And if this value is false, then it will be executed. This is the false value. So if I say from the graphic window, this is 800, this is 100, that means this is the false. That's why it will be unsuppressed. Suppose if I change this width to 300, why I am changing this width? Because dimension of this hole has been controlled by the width. You can see from this equation. That's why I am changing this width. When I change this width to 300, that means whole dimension will be 100. You can see this is the 100, and if I rebuild this, you can see this is that hole. I can get this is that hole. So now still it's false, but if I put 299 and if I rebuild this thing, you can see, you cannot see that hole here. This hole has been suppressed by using this equation. So by using this equation, you can also control your feature, not only the value. And there are lots of powerful capability involved with this equation, because if you work with the assembly, you can also apply the equation in the assembly level.